Assalamu alaikum students. In our previous lecture, we have gone through the lesson number 9 and I have explained it completely. Now we will do some question and answers. It is on page number 78. You have to do all these question and answers in your copy. I am giving you the answers of the question as a part is question and answers, and there are 7 questions. You have to prepare the page and you have to write down the questions and their answers. Number 1 is what was Fahad's problem? Answer is when he work hard or play a lot, he becomes very tired. Second question is how did his mother guess his problem? Guess means how she came to know the problem, and the answer is when he came back from school, his mother found him exhausted. She asked him that what had happened. He told that he is very tired and his bones are in pain. Third question is what were the symptoms of Fahad's problem? Answer is when he work hard or play a lot, he becomes very tired. Next question is did he ever take any medicine? The answer is no, he never took any medicine for this problem. Fifth question is what is the reason of Fahad's problem? This question he is asking that we have to tell the reason of his problem, that why he was facing the problem, and the answer is he does not like milk, which is essential for healthy bones. Essential means necessary. Question number 6, what are the sources of calcium? Sources means you have to tell the things from which we can get the calcium, and the answer is milk is the best and main source of calcium. Next question is why is calcium necessary for us? Give 2 reasons. In this question we have to tell that why calcium is very important for us, and we have to tell the 2 reasons, and the answer is calcium is necessary for healthy bones and calcium is necessary for growth and good health. Now question 1 or A part, it is done. Come to part B. You have to tick the true statement and cross the false ones, and you have to also do it in your copy. Okay, first statement is Fahad was an old man. It is cross. When Fahad came back from school, he was exhausted. Statement is true. Next one is Fahad had a problem of headache. It is cross because he was having pain in his bones. Next one is he never drank milk. It is true. Lack of calcium was not his problem. It is false because his basic problem was the deficiency of calcium. Next one is good quantity of calcium is necessary for our bones. It is true. Okay, the next part or next question, which is on page number 80. Here you have to choose the best answer. Well, you have also do it in your copy and I am going to read it for you. Iron is a hard metal and metal. Here these words have same pronunciation but different meanings. Here iron is a hard metal. First one is correct. Second one is Shehnaz needs this dash of cloth. 2 words are given, piece and PEACE, piece. First one is used for a piece of cloth or piece of paper, and second one means peace or harmony. So we will fill it with Shehnaz needs this piece, PIECE, piece of cloth. Third one, there are countless dash in human skin. Second one is pores, so it will come into the blank because first POURS, pores means when you pour water or pour milk, and the second one is pores which are present in the cells of our body. So we will fill up it with PORES. Milk is sweet. And the fifth one, Meher is doing a sum, SUM. Sum, it means a question, and SOME, sum, it means some quantity. So you have to do all these question and answers in your copy. Thank you.